This is a Victorinox Swiss Army Hunter Pro M Alox knife. Alright, this one's considered a, I think a large pocket knife in the Swiss Army website. Alright, utilize it. It has the thumb hole again. This one's easy to open. Uses a back lock. Okay. It's nice and smooth when you open it. Nice. Swiss made. Has 4 functions. It has a power cord, a large blade, a lanyard hole, and your clip. So that's basically your 4 functions for this one. I still have the box for the knife. Just so it's even like this. Here's your power cord. Okay. Haven't used it, so I mean, it does have a clip on it. So if you want to carry the clip, if you want to carry it in a clip or in a power cord, either one would do. I've seen other videos where the clip is removable. If you don't want to use that one, you basically just have to bump it up. And then there are some, I don't know what it is. It just catches on it, but it's solid. Okay, it's not gonna pop off. With regards to maintenance, all you could do is basically oil it on this side. You can't open the knife. Okay, it is riveted through. It's not your usual pocket knives where you could unscrew it, disassemble it, and do your maintenance. Okay, but it is a good looking knife. Net weight is 6.6 ounces, so it's a bit heavy. I would consider this one more of a hunting knife because of the it's big. But if you want to carry it, I mean, you can still carry it every day. Okay. Height is 0.6 of an inch. Length is 5.4 of an inch. It's a good looking knife though. Action is really smooth. Okay. So again, that's the Hunter Pro M Alox. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.